there, this is Pam, Pam's Paper Place, and I have a little journal that I want to share today. I'm going to be shipping this out today, so I just wanted a record of it. This is for a YouTube friend that just recently lost her brother, and so I thought I'd just surprise her with this little journal, and then I want to upload it until she's received it. I want it to be a surprise, so I thought I'd just share it. It's what is this crap? Oh, this paper pad. Let's see here. Yeah, the paper pad that I used was this Echo Park, The Story of Our Family by Lori Whitlock. And it's a really pretty paper pad. So I used that, and I used some butterfly digis from Ellsiebels Bookshelf. So let's get into it. It's a one signature. This is a scrapbook paper. This also is, I added jumbo rickrack. I added this crochet lace around the edges and like that. And then there's also rickrack here. Then I added on the corners these crochet flowers. I just wanted it to be fun, something that would make her, just be something fun and pretty to receive in the mail as a surprise. And then also there's a little crochet, little flower there with a button and another little paper flower. And the same here. And then these are were stickers from the pack. So I thought it would be fun for her to receive. Here we have a pocket that I sewed around, and I did sew around this too. I have a paper ruffle here. This is from the Butterfly Digi pack. I sewed around there. And then in this pocket, it says it all starts with family. And there's that rickrack, and you could add a picture. You could also write here. So it's a pretty little paper pack. Then here's a tag, and I added, this is from another digital, this was from the paper pack. This is another digital, and I just backed it on this cardstock. Added this button here, sewed around for a little fun tag. The greatest legacy we can leave is happy memories. And that, she could put a picture there if she wanted to. And she doesn't have to use this for journaling about her brother. Or, it could just be a family. It could just be fun for whatever she wants it for. Here I added this envelope, and it opens up like this. Added some stickers and cut aparts from the paper pack. I stapled and added some of this note paper. I glued this down so she has places to journal. And then here I added a fabric ruffle, one day at a time. I fussy cut this out, and then I added that leaf trim and added these flowers. And then at the top is the little tag, and it's been sewn around. It's really pretty colors, so I thought they were cheerful and pretty. So, and then here is a side tuck. Added a little cluster here. I have the family that plays together, stays together, and it's a little booklet with some papers here. And I added a I love you, Lord, my strength, a scripture, cute little houses, and then some more paper to journal on. And actually, you could tuck something here too. We have music paper, and I added some little stickers here and there, butterfly stickers. Here's a little paper that I added stickers to, and then we have this little card, and added this little cloth butterfly, and it's been sewn around. And here's a little, here's from the butterfly kit from Ellsiebels Bookshelf. I fussy cut that butterfly, little heart there, love is all you need, and added this little card here. That's when coffee died. Here's a pocket, been sewn around, and I fussy cut this out and layered that. We have 2 pockets. In this pocket, I added this sticker that says blessing and this seam binding. And here's another little tag I sewed across with that butterfly fabric. And I will always love you. That's cute. You could put a picture there. And then this pocket here, you pull that out, and then you have this flower I fussy cut and that butterfly. And there's the back. And that just sits right there. Look, it's just peeking out. And then there's this crochet trim on the side. Here we have a little pocket with these butterflies. We have a couple cards here in that pretty color. I love that coral color. Then I fussy cut the butterfly, added this little eyelash trim, and then sewed around it. And then I added these little stickers, that butterfly, one day at a time, love is all you need, little card. So I hope she enjoys this, something to cheer her up. Okay, and then we got children's writing page, and then this is some more of that digital kit. We have scrapbook paper, and then a couple little stickers here, and then this is from another kit, this little camera. Added that sticker, Family Forever. You could put a photo there. This comes up, you could put a picture or you could write. And then also this comes out. I added this little ribbon tab, cute, those little birds. And then this comes out. You could add pictures here. And then here was the tuck. So this goes behind here. And this goes behind here. And then this tucks in here. We have like graph paper. Fussy cut this and backed it on some thicker cardstock. So we have this little band here that holds this little card. And then this comes out, and that's folded over that. And then this is my favorite Bible verse: I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, Philippians 4:13. Just so pretty with those coral colors. So that goes there. Then this goes here. And then this goes here. We have some green lined paper, little stickers, beautiful butterfly papers, coffee dyed. Here we have 2 triangle pockets. We have this card. This I stitched around with this little fabric tab. And then here's a really pretty butterfly, and I may add my message there. That might be pretty. Stitched around here and there. We have a middle of the signature. I added these 2 little pretty wood buttons. See if you can see those. Then we have pocket with a couple tags with pretty eyelash trim and seam binding. This is family, and I cut this out, The Most Wonderful Life, and added that for a little tab. And here we have a little pocket with a couple little flowers, paper flowers with cute little tags. And then here we have that pretty seam binding color. This was a digital, and then I added the twine, and then I fussy cut these butterflies out. So it looks like the butterflies could be in the jar. And I just love this color, and then you could put a picture or journal. I like those colors. So I mixed, a few things. I mixed a paper pad, digital kit, and the cutouts. Little tag here. This little side tuck with a Bible verse, and there's my verse. When you love what you have everything you need. I like that aqua and coral. Where did this go? Here. And then there. More that beautiful, cheerful paper with the butterflies. I just think butterflies and flowers and pretty colors. I think that would cheer somebody up. And then here I fussy cut this out. I added this, Our Life. And then I have a little paper ruffle here. And this has some writing paper. And it has this little tag. We may not have it all together, but together we have it all. Isn't that so true? And then I fussy cut this out, sewed it across, and added these little eyelash trim here. Okay. This is a little fabric pocket. Added a little crochet flower and a couple little cards. And then this folds out. Added some stickers. And this is more of a butterfly. I don't know if it's butterfly grotto, but if you look at Ellsiebels Bookshelf, you'll see she's got, I think, a couple kits with butterflies. Very pretty. That's coffee dyed. We got lined paper. Here's another pocket I zigzagged around. And fussy cut that little butterfly. This is family. A little tag with seam binding. And then together is the best place to be. Sewed across there with a sticker. Added more crochet trim here. And fussy cut the butterfly. It says be happy. And here's one of the little Tim Holtz. I like to add these to my journals because you can just add fun little things in here. These were cutouts from the paper pack. This is from the Digi kit. Let's see. So let's see, we'll put this here. Oops, like that. Little ticket. There we go. And then I added some paper flowers in this pocket here. And we have this little pretty tag with this. Isn't that fun? It's got other little bits of fibers in there. Sewed around this little tag. Added crochet trim for the tab. And a couple more places that you might want to journal. And another Bible verse. Look to the Lord in his strength, seek his face always. Just words of comfort. Together we are a family. There I added. I put this little tag on here, stapled it. I got that music paper. And then I got this sticker, Home Sweet Home, from the paper pack. And then here, see this little house? I made that house because there's these little houses here. right there. See the little houses in that paper? So I thought it'd be kind of cute to make a house tuck. So I just cut out some shapes here, you know, and then I made the roof. And then so you have this tuck here, and then I had this fence die. So I just put that in front like this. So I thought that was cute. And then a couple digit cut aparts. Then here's the last, I believe, yeah. We have, I fussy cut these flowers out and that butterfly, this tag, family sticker, and then I stitched around here. It's the back of the tag. You could add something there. And then this comes out. You have this tag with this really pretty color seam binding in this eyelash trim. Goes in this right here. And in that belly band. And then the last pocket, I fussy cut this little typewriter. So we have this little flower here. And then we have this. I did some decorative stitching. And that goes back in here. Added some twine. This is a die that I have. And then this was in the pack that I cut out, the telephone. And then I added this little card here. So that goes in here. Then this little, I backed with thicker cardstock, has this little piece of paper. So I think that is basically it. And then on the back, I have this jumbo rickrack, and then I added a crochet flower here. I don't crochet, but I wish I did, because isn't that fun? So, and I didn't put a closure because it, you know, if my journals stay pretty flat, I don't feel the need to. So that is the journal that's going to my YouTube friend, and I hope she likes it. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day. Bye-bye.